Katie. It is Monday. It's MLK Day. Happy MLK Day. But it's Meal Plan Monday, so I have my meal plan. I also have my groceries, so I'll do a grocery haul as well. So I will show you my meal plan here. I don't know if this is helpful way of doing this or not. Alright, so Monday we're going to have a grain bowl. I've been having grain bowls on Monday lately, and I really love it. So we're going to have a meatless bibimbap. We're going to have shiitake instead of, there usually is a little bit of like bulgogi or some kind of meat in bibimbap, but I'm going to just make it all vegetables. So shiitake mushrooms is going to kind of take the place of the meat. And then of course there'll be rice and carrots, red bell peppers, spinach. I wasn't able to find the fern at the at H Mart, so I don't have that. I have bean sprouts, scallion, there'll be a fried egg on top, and a gochujang sauce. I will link Mang Chi's bibimbap recipe. That's basically where I get the all the recipes for all of these different dishes that go on top of rice, and that's how you make bibimbap. Pretty simple. Tuesday we're gonna have hamburgers. I wanted to get like a roast vegetable, like hopefully cauliflower. I didn't end up getting that. I did get some squash and I got some bok choy. So one or the other of both, or both, will be probably just sauteed up, or I might just roast the zucchini and the yellow squash. And then I'm going to make a carrot salad, so that's just shredded carrot, a little bit of mayonnaise, and raisins. But I thought this needs just a little bit something more. Wednesday we're going to have baked mustard chicken with avocado pasta and salad. So this mustard sauce is Chef John's wing mustard sauce, and I just brush it on like chicken quarters and bake it. And the avocado pasta, I have that recipe on my channel. And then I also put salad, just like a green salad. Let's see, Thursday, pasta and meatballs and salad. That's pretty straightforward. Friday, we're going to have pita pizzas. I have some pitas in the freezer, and we'll just put some sauce and cheese and toppings on that. Saturday, I'm going to make salmon patties on salad and a vegetable. So just make a big green salad and make little salmon patties. I have some canned salmon, and fry them up and put them on top, and they can kind of break them up, and I'll probably make like maybe like a lemony herby tartare sauce, but a little thinner than tartar sauce, so it's kind of a dressing as well, sort of thing. And then Sunday I'm gonna make a frittata. I have some ham. If you saw my food prep last week, you'll have seen that I diced up a bunch of extra ham. So I have a small portion of ham, so I have ham and then whatever I can find in the fridge as far as vegetables, and make a frittata and then salad on that night too. Okay, so hopefully you could see what I was doing. Kind of trying out different ways of doing this. I don't really like, oh my goodness, I don't like sitting at the table and filming it. I think it's kind of dark over there. So anyway, I thought I'd do it this way. Alright, so I got Aldi here and H Mart here. I think I got everything. Oh, I put the cold stuff away already, so let me pull that out. I got some milk. Aldi has the organic ultra pasteurized milk in these big jugs, and I think it ends up being like 8 cents cheaper or something than getting 2 half-gallons, but that's what I've been getting the last couple of weeks. I also got this beef. The grass-fed beef was on the weekly sale, so this is 3 packs. It's 4 pounds, and it was like $17.68 or something like that. And then they also have individual 1-pound packs, which is a little bit more per pound, but this one I found with a $2 off, so I'm going to use that for the hamburgers and the meatballs. So also at Aldi I got saltines. I need a sleeve of saltines to make the salmon patties, and then the rest will just have for snacks. Got some more scallions for the bibimbap, and then for everything else just hop on it. I think I'll also put some in the salmon patties. The zucchini and the yellow squash, these are 20 ounce, a little more than a pound, and they were 99 cents. So less than $1 per pound, so I picked those up. Spinach for the bibimbap. Got these Cara oranges. We got 2 big bags of orange, well I guess 2 medium bags of oranges last week, and we've already kind of demolished them. So we definitely take advantage of citrus season, so these were on sale too. Got celery for, I needed this for the salmon patties, and then I just always like to have celery on here. I got 2 cans of this wild pink salmon. And then I got some mustards. I had run out of this kind of mustard, just regular mustard, and then the Dijon. So I'll use both of these for the mustard sauce. I also like to have this on hand all the time to make homemade mayonnaise. And then I just grabbed this because we didn't have any and I like to have that on hand. So that's everything at Aldi. I put my receipt somewhere. I started scanning my receipts into an app on my phone. I used to keep them all, and then last year I didn't keep them all. This year I'm trying to stick to my budget. It's one of my resolutions is to go grocery shopping just once a week and, you know, really stick to the budget, which I kind of let go last year. So I don't know where my receipt is, but I can put the total. I think it was like $44. And then at H Mart I spent about $24, and it's just mostly produce. Got soybean sprouts for the bibimbap, radishes, and I got some cucumbers for the salads. A few meals have salads this week. I used to eat salads like every single night, and if you used to watch my weekly meal videos, you'll see that we had salads all the time, but I make them a lot less now just because it's really hard for me to eat with my braces. So we do eat like raw vegetables with dinner quite a bit, but salads not the easiest thing. But I did get I wanted to put them on. We're trying to watch what we eat for the new year, lose a little weight, so I put them back on for several of our meals. So I got some romaine lettuce. It's just an easy way to make sure my husband stays filled up. That's very low calorie. I got these mushrooms, and then I got shiitake mushrooms as well. These are going to go in the bibimbap. Got 2 big bunches of bananas. I got some avocados for the avocado pasta, and then I might put some on toast one morning for breakfast. And then I got, these are bok choy. These were like 39 cents or 33 cents a pound or something. So these 2 bags together was like $1, which was awesome. And then the last thing I got, I've never tried before. It seems very interesting, but it's like citron tea, if you've ever had that. We've had that before, and then we also get like a ginger citron tea as well. But this is ume plum tea. And so it's kind of like marmalade. There's little bits of fruit, but it's also suspended in this kind of syrupy kind of stuff. It's made with fructose. Anyway, you stir it into hot water and it makes like a hot drink or a tea. It's not caffeinated. But I really wanted to try the ume flavor one, so I got that. So that'll do it for the meal plan and the grocery haul. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give my video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see a meal plan every week and a food prep whenever I have a chance to. I will see you in just a minute when I turn this camera around to do my food prep, but you will see me tomorrow. Bye!